Vive le français! Joyeux anniversaire, nos les vœux plus sincères. Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. Okay, so happy birthday, joyeux anniversaire. So today we are learning how to ask someone how old are you. So how old are you is very easy. Is le verbe avoir plus le verbe âge. Donc, tu as quel âge? Tu as quel âge? Vous avez quel âge? Tu as quel âge? Vous avez quel âge? So that's the same. Tu as quel âge? Vous avez quel âge? Okay. How old are you? So let's ask you something. We can make a game next time. So for instance, I can ask you already as the homework. I can ask you in the comment section to write tu as quel âge? Tu as quel âge? Okay? I can ask you to write this in the comment section. Tu as quel âge? Okay? Write it. So how to answer? You say j'ai. J'ai and the age, for example. Georges, tu as quel âge? J'ai 30. Maybe you can guess how old I am. Georges, tu as quel âge? Okay, you can guess. Georges a, and you can guess, 50 ans, 60 ans, 70 ans, 20 ans, 18 ans, 25 ans. Okay, Georges a quel âge? You can guess in the comment section and you can answer. Donc, for instance, tu as quel âge? Elle a quel âge? Vous avez quel âge? Okay. One thing, however, in France, we don't ask for the age. It is not polite. So you cannot ask to someone, vous avez quel âge? Tu as quel âge? It's not polite. If you are together with some friends, then you can ask, okay, this is my friend, this is my good friend, I can ask him, tu as quel âge? Because I know him, he's my good friend. If you are together with some classmate, that's okay, that's the classmate, so you can ask him or her, okay, tu as quel âge? Okay, that's the classmate. But if otherwise, no, don't ask. Tu as quel âge? Vous avez quel âge? It's not polite to ask, especially to a woman. The women, they hate it because they don't like it when in France. They don't like to. It's something secret. It's something secret. I always tell you in France there are many taboo subjects. One is the age, one is the health, one is the money. You're not going to distinguish people based on, oh, he's old, I treat him this way. Or he's young, I treat him that way. Or because he's old enough, I can give him a job. Or because he's rich enough, I will treat him this way or that way. This is not a proper way to do. So sorry, there's a spider on the camera. Oh, it's gone. Okay. So don't ask for the age. Tu as quel âge? Vous avez quel âge? You don't ask this usually. But maybe you can talk about a star. Elle a quel âge? This movie star. Elle a quel âge? The president. Oh, le président des États-Unis, Donald Trump. Il a quel âge? Okay, maybe you can ask because people want to know, but you're not going to ask directly. Okay, maybe if you want to ask the question, you can ask indirect question. So indirect question is vous avez l'air. Vous avez l'air. You look. Vous avez l'air très jeune. Vous avez l'air très jeune. You look very young. Vous avez l'air. Vous êtes très jeune. You are very young. Oh, vous êtes très jeune. C'est non, j'ai 30 ans. No, I'm already 30 years old. Okay. You can say this. Vous avez l'air très jeune. Vous êtes très jeune. Okay. So vous avez quel âge? Tu as quel âge? Don't ask it. It's private. Now people like to know everything. So people like to know the age. People like to know how much money you make. And you can say a little bit. Of course, the French society might be a little bit hypocrite because all these subjects are taboo. And in fact, what happens in real is, of course, when you're looking at someone, you're going to decide, I give him the job because he's young, or I give her the job because she's pretty. If she doesn't have the pretty face, I'm not going to give her the job, you know. But even though you're not going to say it, she gets a good job because of her looks. he gets a job because she's a woman, or because he's a man, or because he's from this minority group, or because his father is wealthy, so the father has the network and knows people, or because that people are never going to say this because this is kind of taboo. In France, all this is taboo because people are supposed to be equal. Even they are born different, we are all born different. I'm born ugly, or I'm born handsome, or I'm born, and we have something, we have a body, we have the age, we are a man, we are a woman. All this is supposed to be the same. So we try to minimize it, and at least on the outside, you don't discuss it. So don't ask to someone, tu as quel âge? But between friends is okay, it's okay. Merci, au revoir les amis.